Morning.
Morning. How you doing?
Not great. Feeling rough.
What's the plan for today?
I'm playing a lot, like I always do. Got some project stuff to finish up, and then getting on top of the service desk. How long did you decide to make the screws? 1 hour later.
Pink plastic scissors.
Yeah, they chopped straight through this.
It's not the right side of that one.
Yeah, but the screw's gone in sideways.
I got 3. How many you got? 2.
Yeah, but I've got a sideways screw.
One more.
Got a holder.
Is that all done?
Actually, it was the box. Box.
And that's capture that.
Don't get this. Shows that I'm weak.
I'm gonna leave you, mate. Right?
Thanks.
Take your time. Don't stress about it.
I'm trying to think a normal way to say, because you know when you get on camera and you change your tone because you talk a bit more formally. Well, we can stand up and do it. Hang on, I might move it. Look at where the previous wall came up to. And this was just like part of the reception entrance area.
I just switched the lane. Get in the game. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping the face. Everything. Swimming, taking away. Cause I got big gas coming. I put my low racks on. I ain't skip past losses. I had to get back. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffee.
And then this is where the old doorway was. And this was the corridor that brought you in.
Nearly halfway down, mate.
Yeah, I knew you were messing around.
This is blocked from here to here.
Alright.
Just open. It's not blocked for a reason. You know what I mean? They wouldn't just stop it there for nothing and block it. That might be structured because that lintel went really far along to the lift shaft.
Right.
That might just be an extra support. Go in the middle. Well, we'll expose it and then I'll look.
Okay.
But worst case scenario is going to stay into there.
Not ideal, but...
Not ideal, but I can have a look at it. It's just because it's the bottom floor, you never know what's holding all out.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the last thing that we want.
Yeah, no. Right, I need one to start smashing and banging with me.
This is a separate room that we had for building computers.
Completely different place now.
Yeah, well, we're actually so cleaned up.
Bigger office now.
Yeah. Are you gonna make this wall as well or not?
That wall's staying.
I'll take this one.
That one's staying, and then the other side is getting closed off, so this will be the entry point.
What's an ass? She is gorgeous. Live my life last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, but I know we're knocking on the door. Is came in, I came in, I came in. Did it like the Porsche coming in. Yeah, flex. I just wanna win. Yeah, I like BB.
So Synextra's actually been growing. Look at this wall. This wall wasn't here a few weeks ago. And now we're just going to have loads more space for the office, more employees. The build rooms moved down the corridor. If you've been watching the vlog, you've probably seen some of the work on the studio we've been doing. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have enjoyed it and you want to see more, we've got our data center videos here, and you can subscribe over here.
Yeah, mate, yeah. Matt. Look at that, mate, till the end, just start getting all the heavy out, mate. Absolutely loves that.